If you think you can be better than today's contestants, why not put yourself to the ultimate test? Visit channel4.com/15 to 1 and take part in our online challenge. Your scores will be measured against those of our contestants and other players from across the country. Good luck. Welcome back to 15 to 1. Before the break, 5 of today's contestants were eliminated in round 1. 15 to 10. Let's play round 2.
Oops.
There's now a change in the game as you decide who answers the questions. Only 3 of you will reach the final, so you need to nominate tactically if you are to survive the round. Let's begin round 2. And I'm just going to remind you, I will need a correct answer before we can begin nominations. Celebrity families was the shared surname of Jimmy, a Liverpudlian comedian and game show host, and his daughter Lisa, an actress and broadcaster.
Tarbuck.
Absolutely right. She's wonderful. Where shall we go again?
Number 8, please.
Number 8, you get the first nomination. It's Carol. Your category is translations. What 2-word French expression used in English can be translated as false step and refers to a breach of manners or an indiscreet remark?
Faux pas.
Absolutely right. You're in charge of the game.
Number 5.
Becky. Swimming. Which stroke was recognised by the international governing body FINA as a separate stroke in competition in 1953, as many swimmers were using the style in breaststroke races?
Butterfly.
Absolutely right. All the swimmers in the men's 200 metres breaststroke final at the 1952 Olympics in fact swam butterfly. I can't do it. Can you do it?
No.
Nor can I see the point of it, frankly. What shall we do, Vicky?
Number 12, please.
We'll go round to Alex. Soundtracks. Songs entitled Little Green Bag, Hooked on a Feeling, and Stuck in the Middle with You. Which 1992 film directed by Quentin Tarantino. Pulp Fiction. It's Reservoir Dogs. Stuck in the Middle with You.
Ah.
UK hit single in
That's so
1972 from the
sweet.
Scottish folk rock group Steelers Wheel. Back to you, Vicky.
I'm number 8. Number 10, please.
Number 10, David.
I think he framed Ollie.
How are you on fashion history, David?
Yeah, right.
You had 2 fashion questions now,
Yes,
haven't you?
yeah.
An exhibition that opened at the Victoria and Albert Museum in April 2016 and was
Ah.
described in the Times as the longest that will
You got it?
tell
Yeah.
is entitled Undress.
Oh, is it? Whoops.
Oh, brilliant.
Absolutely right. The exhibition displayed more than 200 examples of men's and women's underwear from the 18th century to today. There is, in fact, a curator of underwear who I've met at Victoria and Albert Museum. Extraordinary job. What shall we do, David?
I'll nominate 14, please.
Number 14, Jenny. Famous speeches. In a speech to Congress in 1961, which US President stated
There's not in there for you.
this nation should commit itself to achieving the goal before the decade is out of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely.
I can't eat
here.
straw.
John F. Kennedy.
Absolutely right. Earlier that year, the Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin had...
You won't like it in there, will you? Eh?